This is cute. Guys was having a pickup for the first time.
Alright, what am I doing? I can't do this right now. I'm making a walk. You was making a walk? I know, then I somehow...
We took over the whole campsite. So from right here, I kind of like this side because they're right by the water. What's also cool is there's like mini golfing, which I'll probably do later. I want to do it with Nas, but again, Nas is in there fooling around. But yeah, they have this whole little mini golfing setup situation here. And this is the lake. The title of this clip is called "It Takes a Village."
It takes a village.
You know? Ooh.
You know, it'd be immune attacks like kill beetles. You know that.
Good morning. It's only, I think, 7:50 right now. This is our room or our camp, our tent. I think I showed it to you guys last night, but here it is again. And here's Ezra. Nas is still asleep. Uh-oh, there he is. Brother! And that's Auntie Lydia. She's trying not to be seen. So yeah, I'll pull you guys up when we start to make breakfast and we get this day started. Y'all know I don't drink, but Sissy had to start the morning off right. You know, a little splash of orange juice. Gotta top it off.
Is this good noise?
Wow. Good morning.
Who's on this side?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know.
Why, is
Why
that
about the
problem?
balcony? The pool. You doing it now?
That's my everyday attitude. Gratitude.
All right, y'all. So these are some dishes. I gotta get to washing. Let's fill this up with some water. Oh, whoa, oh. Look, we over here thinking sis is butt naked. That's what you call a nude. All right, y'all. We're about to go. Call me. That's if a phone don't fall in the water first.
You got your speaker so you can vibe out?
Oh yeah, you got the speaker?
Yep, I got the speaker. All right, guys, hold on. I'll pull you guys back up when I get it.
Oh, this thing is